7, talk too early. Oh, indaba, talking my business isintu, nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
It's 7 o'clock. The next show is not suitable for ingane. Ngizointroduce ke uDoc sikhuluma indaba zomdavazo. This is Sex Indaba. Hey Doc.
Hello, I'm Tiani.
We are not making love no more.
Uyazi ngendlela okubanda ngakhona namhlanje Mthiyana we should.
Yeah, we should be making love. Yes. Yes.
By the way,
yes,
uChris Tucker ungikhumbuza wena yazi.
I've heard that before then bese ngithi shutha mehla mangaka, eh?
Well, he is also very sexy.
Oh, keep going, Doc. Until you can feel it. Feel it as in feeling it. Sure. Are you well?
Right.
Are you well? Are you well?
No,
I'm good.
I'm
good.
too
Sure.
Good, I'm too good. Nesithandwa zethu also nabo siyabathanda siyababulisa.
I was about to remind you ukuthi usungaqala ngokukhuluma ungakhulumanga kamnandi ngezithandwa zethu. Uyabona Doc kunezinto nje eziningi eyishoyo. uJuly is known as the Men's Month and kufanele ukuthi sikusho lokho kuze kuzwakale ngoba in less than 5 days all we will hear is women's rights, women's day and women that. So in fact, the topic here namhlanje much as is about men,
Yes.
but it's a conversation for ladies. Namhlanje
For
we
sure.
will discuss the next topic with abantu besifazana dokotela. Ekutheni kunezinto eziningi ulimi. We always say kufanele ukuthi ubheke indlela okhuluma ngayo. Communication is key. You always advise us. But kunendlela abantu besifazane abangayazi yo communicator engenza omkhulu monakalo by ukwehlisa isithunzi somuntu wakhe wesilisa.
Sure.
Nanokwenza agcine engasazethembi yena. Abantu besifazane abakwazi ukunaka lokho ekakhulukazi abantu besilisa abamnyama dokotela, right? So namhlanje sikhuluma ngayo ke leyo nto. Things you must avoid, things okungamele ukuthi uzenze uma communicator noma uhlala ungazisho ezithinta abantu besilisa. Mhlambe kuyiqala nje Doc.
Yes.
Iningi le depression kubantu besilisa in relationships libangelwa yini in most cases? Is it finance? Is it women? Or is it abanye abantu besilisa as well? Because at some point we need to find out ukuthi commonly who cause a problem kubantu besilisa baze babe depressed.
You know, ngicishe ngakuphendula ngenye indlela but mhlawumbe kufanele ngikuphendule ngendlela you know, civilized. You know, depression ne stress comes from many factors Mthiyane, but a big part of that even comes from wena yourself ukuthi how do you interpret nokuthi uzifunda kanjani izinto ezenzekayo empilweni yakho. Now as men society expect ukuthi umuntu wesilisa kumele abe financially able, umuntu wesilisa kumele kube uyena okwazi ukugculisa umuntu wesifazane embedeni, umuntu wesilisa kunento eziningi that umuntu wesilisa kumele abe yilento.
In fact even my colleagues at 12 bathi indoda ayikhali.
Exactly. So manje do you realize zonke lezo zinto ziyamsuppress umuntu wesilisa ukuthi angakwazi nokuexpressa ukuthi asho nezinto ezimhlukumezayo yena ngoba kufanele abe indoda manje kwayena protect isithunzi sakhe njengendoda kanti uthola ukuthi uya-abuswa at the same time.
Okay.
Now in relationships, yes, indlela umuntu akhuluma nawe ngayo is very important. Look, i-communication nje busho ukuthi is key and we always say kule show ukuthi khuluma before ukhumule, which is very important. Now we in society senze mistakes ukuthi sazi ukuthi umuntu okuyena responsible lokucansini umuntu wesilisa kanti that's not the case. Nawe umuntu wesifazane you are responsible even for your own enjoyment, but also nawe awukumsukele nje umuntu wakho umqale wena umbonise ukuthi nawe you've got feelings ngaye, but also bonise nokumenjoya ngesikhathi enza into kuwena ubonise ukuthi imnandi lento ayenzayo, you know, ungaloku uzibambile. But your words are key kumuntu wesilisa ngoba umuntu wesilisa I generally say to my women yazi umuntu wesilisa ufana ne firstborn yakho yengane who always wants reassurance.
Really?
You know, yeah, ngithi kubantu besifazana I say that. So not kubantu besilisa.
Man is like your firstborn.
Yes, because you always have to reassure him ukuthi wenza kahle, right, he's the best, he's good enough for you, nokuthi you are satisfied njalo njalo. So communicator is a good way yokuthi uthole athole I trust nokuthi a relax but also that connection but
Sure.
healthy
Connection.
communication
Healthy
communication
communication.
is key.
Yabona ke njengamanje if that was umdavazo bekuyi for play sengifuna ke singene ke ngqo things women would say usheshe uchame awundoda yalutho uyisehluleki uhlala ungenayo imali zenzani kumuntu lezo zinto psychologically unepipa elincane usheshe uchame awunayo imali uyisehluleki.
Look Mthiyani, when anything umuntu omthandayo wena nothandana naye umuntu omhloniphayo loyo so ne view yakhe is very important kuwena. So if ezosho into for example if isithandana sinawe mase ngikubize ngesilima that thing will be so hurtful kuwena but uzotshela umuntu emgaqweni ethi hawa isilima lo driver kanjani it won't affect you so much but the fact ukuthi lo muntu une high regard yakhe unenhlonipho and expect ukuthi kube uyena against all odds odokudefender akuthande leyo nto iba nozwelo kakhulu if ishiyo yena uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uqinisile Mthiyana but indlela ayibeka ngayo umuntu it can be very hurting. Now the problem with that is uthola ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma nawe namhlanje kanti akakhuluma ngalento oyenze namhlanje ukhuluma ngegrudge yento endalo owayenza and hidden anger usethola opportunity manje yokuthi asho something to hurt you or yokuthi kuphoxe or ikwenze u feel small.
Yes.
And that's when it hurts ngoba that is why it's important ukuthi into tackle it at that time inkinga futhi ukhulume ngenkinga ungabusolulanda into endala uthi vele wena unjena nakudala wenza ukuthi nokuthi because all those things imenza umuntu I feel helpless ngoba kufana ukuthi awusadlula kuleya nkinga shothi namanje sisahleli kuyona leyo nkinga.
All right, it's 12 minutes after 7 indaba egagasini with Doc Mthembu. Namhlanje sikhuluma nawe umuntu wesifazane so I would like ladies to call namhlanje just to khulume nathi. You know you can be anonymous anytime. Abantu besifazane izinto ezibehlulayo about how to handle communication nomuntu wakhe. Share with us your experience. Mhlambe awusenawo your relationship and now looking back uyabuka ukuthi indlela owacommunicate ngayo naye iyona mhlambe eyayisanga saveka so uDoc ke usazosithatha through uyibona kanjani indoda esishaywe indlela communicate ngayo nanezinto that you are not supposed to say. 0861 596 596 0861 596 596. Last week Doc you said money is power to umuntu wesilisa.
Sure.
Kukhona ama relationship ne setup othola ukuthi umuntu wesifazane unemali edlula umuntu wakhe wesilisa. Leyo nto isho ukuthini ke iyayi build confidence yaleyo ndoda noma uzolalela leyo nto ebese ayibona sengazothi uyisehluleke.
Look indoda nendoda Mthiyane would like to know ukuthi uyena oletha in finances ekhaya. So it's easy ukuthi if ukuthi akuyena oletha imali ekhaya kube uyena not the woman by the way kube uyena ozibona engendoda yalutho kugcina kube uyena okushintshelayo wena umuntu wesifazane uthola ukuthi wena you doing everything ukuthi umsupport you know just like losisi wa last week wena wenza yonke into ukuthi umsupport lo muntu nekhadi utha kube uyena ozokhokha ezitolo and yonke into imoto uhamba ngemoto yakho and everything kodwa kube uyena okubeke 52 only because uyena ongazithembi enough egcina kuyena uzibukela phansi. So I generally say you know kuma patients abantu besifazana abanemali abathanda ukuthi ngcono muphe imali you know every month you know muphu 50,000 if unawo you know or whatever iba ne budget thizeni so that ezokwazi ukuthi izinto azenzelena ngemali yakhe omphe yona instead of ukuthi ezosebenzisa imali yakho nento zakho so that will help ukumakha naye but also at the same time Mthiyane awufuni ukuthi uhambe wakha nanombane nje ngeke umuntu you know kuyi boyfriend ningakakhi lutho you know anicelene anishadene so kuwena so investor too much again naye he's got a responsibility by the way yokuthi naye aziveze ukuzimisela kuwena nokukuthanda and want to respect you ngokuthi ayekini acele afune ihlobo is right so that even if you are investing in him then you know you invest kunina nobabili because one of the insecurities by the way umuntu wesilisa if enganamali Mthiyane the one thing abayenzayo ukuthi uvela jole okay uthola ukuthi akajoli ngoba necessarily uyafuna ukujola but ujola ngoba psychologically uzama ukushaya wena ukuthi ungaziboni ukuthi you are all that and uzothi noma ejola uzojola nentombazana ozokuzibuza ukuthi how ungazujoleni no Dr Mthembu pho uyabona umuntu ozibonayo nawe ukuthi akekho in your league you know mhlawumbe uphansi kakhulu kuwena
indicator leyo nto
indicate ukuthi yena uzama ukushaya wena uzama ukukutshela ukuthi yabona ngikwazi ukuthandana nomashanela ukhona wena uyini so basically uzama ukwehlisa nokwehlisa isithunzi but zonke lezo zinto is psychological things ukuthi uyena ongazithembi so manje uzama ukushaya wena ngokuthi ajole
indaba ekakasini sekumukela mangabe silalela kokuqala njalo njengolwesine sisuke sikhuluma indaba ethinta intimacy sikhuluma ezocansi sikhuluma ngama relationships sikhuluma emotional stuff as well we build families we building the nation so namhlanje sino doc sikhuluma ngendaba yabantu besilisa because si wrap up July being inyanga yamadoda so sifuna ukuzwa wena umuntu wesifazane ucommunicate kanjani nomuntu wesilisa izinto okumele ukuthi uzigweme izinto ezishaya isithunzi sakhe your experience your observations and what you have learned 0861596596 angiyemo iRiver ngithatha anonymous our first caller sawubona anonymous
yebo sanibona
siyakumukela ohlelweni sisi
yebo niyaphila no doc
siyaphila sithando sami
yebo mina into engishayayo doc nginomuntu wami kodwa manje mangabe sikhuluma uthola ukuthi into esike sayikhuluma before noma kade sixabana bese kuba into engasheshi ukuphela leyo njalo nangabe kwenzeka sixabana bese kuba into futhi nje njalo ehlalivuka ngiyibuza ukuthi kazi wenziwa yini ngoba into nje encane ngithola ukuthi wakhuluma ke phela igama nawe usucasukile ningezweni kodwa ke kube into engapheli nje ihlezi naphakathi kwenu
asiqale mhlambe ngokulibheka lelo gama sisi ukuthi igama elithini kanje wawucasukile yes masicasukile thiwe inhliziyo yayiphakelwa asingene ngqo iliphi lelo gama mhlamba wawulishilo kuyena
mhlambe nje nasixabana ngijwayele ukuthi ayicha ukhuluma njalo ngendlela kasuke ekhuluma ngayo nangendlela nje suke into isidlulile kodwa ayikhulume njalo ibelesele ini kodwa manje igcina lonto isiba into engapheli nje njalo
okay doc
yeah look vele if kukuthi nomuntu wakho nizoba nento eyodwa iluke inixabanisa generally uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe yena ucike ukuthi ivoice yakho uyayiphakamisa mokhuluma naye now generally most men babona ukuthi uma uphakamisa izwi then uyamchallenge already that's a challenge even if wena ukuphamiseni kwakho izwi mhlawumbe ukhuluma kakhulu vele uzama ukucacisa into but once wazama ukuraise ivoice yakho above eyakhe automatically so uyiwo leyo so uyamchallenge you know kumuntu wesilisa so already siyamkhipha leyo nto kwi-frame mind ukuthi akakuprotect wena nokuthi umuntu wesifazane njalo so that just be careful ukuthi if voice yakho regardless of amagama musu ukhuluma naye futhi angathi ukhuluma ngento ukhuluma nento always sometimes even if umuntu ukhuluma naye both male and female by the way even if umuntu ukhuluma naye zama ukuthi qala ungamphenduli more angry because ianger icreate any anger kufanele kube khona ozokwehlisa ehlele nganeno lapho ngoba it's important ukuthi noma niqabana kube khona ozolalela also ngoba egcineni noma niqabana the aim is not to hurt each other but the aim ukuthi ni resolve lenkinga so mhlawumbe wena ukudinga ukuthi wehlele nganeno wehlele ngenzansi so that umnikeze ichance yokuthi akhulume but nawe uzama ukuthi wehlise itone yakho yevoice ngoba even if lokusho kancane nje ukuthi cha baba kunjalo you know cha mvelasi uyabona uyamstopha in the tracks lapho but if uzothi nawe uyabona ungeza akhuphuke naye eleqhubekile so
yezo anonymous
yebo ngiyeza
but ne timing yakho yokuthi how do you solve your problem is very important uyabona
Yeah.
okunye myeke ngaleso sikhathi mase later usumbhakelile ukudla kwakhe kahle ngisho ukudla lokweplatic
Yes.
sini you know
Yeah, bese dlile kahle yeah.
wasutha right
Yes.
mase udlala naye ukuthi babakhe kunento ebengicela ukuthi sikhulume ukuthi use right naye usebhodlile wathetha if needs be.
Yeah.
Then umshaya strategy most of the time you know umuntu wesilisa then usho ukuthi uyazi ngalesa sikhathi angithandanga ngendlela okhulume ngayo kumina ngesikhathi uthi kanje futhi ungayisho into angayishongo isho lokho akushilo angithandanga ukuthi kanje ngoba kungenze ngafika kanje ungamkhombi ukuthi yabona wenza kanjena wrong. No, don't do that, but talk about you.
Okay.
Ngiyabonga Dok.
Okay, very good.
No,
Good luck.
Siyabonga kakhulu sisi. Good luck. Nathi sisho njalo. It's 20 after 7 indaba eGagasini. Asiqhubeke taking calls. Sikhuluma namhlanje nabantu besifazane. Yini oyishaya wrong mase kuze communication nomuntu wesilisa and ukhuluma kabi kuye kwenzani kuye kungayibulala kanjani relationship. Izinto ongazenza ukuze qonde nezinto ngamele uzenze as well. It's 1921 indaba eGagasini.
Ezocansi on Indaba.
Umfundisa kanjani umuntu wakho ukuthi axolise kumbe mhlambe uyilo muntu ongajwayelanga noma ongekho comfortable ethena vuma isephutheni ihambe yazayibeka phi yakhe relationship le ndaba yokuthi uno partner ongaxolisi. Anonymous, welcome to Gagasi.
Previous years ngingachitha ngepolisa maybe futhi ngibanjwe ngichitha but makwenze okuthile hlale ku refer kuyo lento abayenza kuthiwa wawaxolisa nini waphinde wachitha nje into enjengoxolo mina ngibone ngathi angikholwa ngoba the moment uxolisa kuba khona uyislim.
Uxolisa is very important. The only fear abanye abantu ababa nayo ukuthi if ngeke ngaxolisa it means ngithi ngirong kuyona yonke into, which is why it's important ukuxolisela into ethize. And when umuntu somxoliselile ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi usangibona mina ngiyiko konke kuwena, usadinga ukuthi uyivale leya gap ngokuthi umreassure umbonise ukuthi cha ngizozama ukushintsha but usabalekile kumina le nto engayenza ngangiphambukile.
Indaba njalo ngomsombuluko ngo7 kuya ku8 PM and on Tuesday to Thursday ngo6 kuya ku8 kusihlwa.
Leli hlelo ngakwazi ukuthi uthole ama videos alo mongaya ku YouTube yeGagasi FM and you can also search under Sex with Dr. Mthembu. Ama videos alolu hlelo nezinye inhlelo esike sazenza previously, right? 0861 596 596. Kafishane nje Doc, before ngiye ku Anonymous, I can see inqwaba yosisi abafunayo because the show is about them as we wrap up in Men's Month. So we need to see abantu besifazane because this is about them. You work with people, you counsel them, nama couples as well. You know ithola as ama findings kuyinkinga eyiningi egcina say affect amadoda even kuona umdavazo Doc.
You know, kumdavazo Mthiyane, of course, you know, by the way, research is tshela ukuthi about 31% of amadoda either anenkinga zocansi or aseke adlula kuzona. So into yenkinga yocansi umuntu angazitshela ukuthi imina kuphela onalenkinga, and I think that's why this show siyenza futhi just to make people know ukuthi futhi ukuthi likhona usizo ngoba ungahlali nenkinga ngoba inkinga enjalo ziyakwazi ukusizakala. Now inkinga kubantu besilisa abaningi either uthola inkanuko yocansi yehlile Mthiyane or uthola ukuthi ukuchama either uyashesha kakhulu ukuchama or uyadelay you know kakhulu ukuchama ngoba both of them can be inkinga futhi you know even the shape yenduku uthola abanye banenkinga ukuthi induku yami igobile you know igobele eceleni, omunye isperm asiphumi kahle kodwa siphuma masingichama. So ziningi inkinga that happen because of induku, even hormones with age. Kufanele wazi ukuthi as you get older vele around 2 ngeke zasheshe manje, ngeke zavuke within a minute like before, usizothala 30 minutes but kunezinto ongazenza zokuclean umzimba that will help you ukuthi ubuyele futhi esimeni like before. I-lifestyle yakho either udle amaphilisi e-BP, by the way amaphilisi have a huge impact futhi nokusebenzini yenduku, o BP, o cholesterol, of course o sugar, ama hormones akho as umuntu wesilisa, i-drink, acid, ama energy drinks, zonke lezo zinto end up affecting you as a man. But I generally say kunento thina Mthiyane that I'm very passionate about esingayibheki as abantu besilisa, i-prostate.
Yeah.
prostate once wafika ku40 hamba uyicheck iprostate and manje asayicheck iprostate ngokufaka imino lapha ngemuva. We used to do that, but uthatha igazi sambe sicheck ukuthi enzyme yakhe prostate inyukile or not. And it's important ngoba once ayibona ukuthi sokunento eyushintsho yenzakalayo ku prostate yakho siyakwazi ukuthi siyitreat. So the sooner the better ukuthi uhambe uyicheck, we can treat it ngoba iyakwazi ukuaffect induku nayo.
Sure. Right, indaba egagasini ngiyabona nama comments ku Twitter na ku Facebook wedwa ngizoya kuona. Just to remind you again ukuthi le hlelo is not suitable for ingane. Angiyeke emlazi 0861596596. Sabona anonymous.
Yebo sanibona ninjani?
Siphilile dadewethu kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Oh, it's the first time ngingena ku show hlezi ngifuna ungena, by the way. I'm so happy.
Oh,
Wow, si break virginity yakho.
Yep. Breaking your virginity.
Nani breakile.
Welcome.
Ngiyabonga. I may be slightly off, but still
All right.
it's still about the communication.
Sure.
Mina, the thing that frustrates me the most ngomuntu wami is that I cannot communicate naye.
Okay.
Like nje, even no matter how serious into ngifuna ukuyikhuluma naye, sometimes it just end up being he's a person vele oyithandayo ama sex talk and stuff. But every time I think we avoid even serious conversations that we should have, avoiding ukuthi ngiloke ngidlalisa, and just sweet talking me into everything. But when it comes to real issues about our relationship, communication, and ngiyabona ukuthi it's slowly fading away. I think ibuye nalento kube ukuthi umZulu too much, and you know how Zulu
Benanyawo. Yeah.
he's a real Zulu guy nje. So from Mkhulune so nje. Like I sometimes struggle kwangempela in terms of communicate, and I really can't get through. But ngiyabona that is the initial thing that's going to end up breaking our relationship.
Yeah. Doc.
Look, I think number one, you need to wena ngoba you know good communication is your problem. Ukuthi ukumhlalise phansi ucela meeting naye, even if kuleyo meeting uyamcela ukuthi akakulalele nje kuphela if kuukuthi akekho comfortable ukuthi akhulume, but umenze aware ukuthi kubaleke kanjani kuwena and kangakanani ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nikhulume ngeenkinga zenu. Now if uthi wena uyibhenanyawo actually mina lokho uthe wena umuntu
umZulu umZulu
lalela umthiyane ngizofike ngishaywe ekhaya yeah umZulu.
Yes.
No, but if uthi ulo nhlobo conservative, now you know abantu abanjalo ba conservative, abantu ababona ukuthi hey into eziningi awulokukhuluma ngezinto zasekameleni, wenzane ekameleni, kwenziwa into zasekameleni zivaleleke khona kugcine lapho. And it's important ukuthi umenze I feel comfortable enough nawe ukuthi you respect him nokuthi izinto enzobe nizikhuluma zenu zekamelo akuyona into uzihamba uyikhulume nodade wenu or nabangani bakho njalo, but it's strictly nawe uzoyivalela kube into yenu yasekameleni. But he needs to feel comfortable enough. Abanye abantu we say they've got a passive aggressive personality, uthola ukuthi uya-avoida ukuthi abhekane nenkinga leyo, uzolekenza ama-jokes noma uthi akhuluma naye ashaya ijoke, hayi sobe sikhulume njalo. That is a fear on its own. Ungathola ukuthi kune fear thizeni anayo, mhlawumbe une fear yokukuluza futhi ukuthi mhlawumbe musufuna ukukhuluma into eziserious uzomtshela about how you're not happy with him kanti he's a bit insecure. So try when umuntu wakho uyamazi the most, try and find a way where he's most relaxed, ozokwazi ukuthi kancane ukhulume naye without judging him, without making him ukuthi azi or ungamtshela ukuthi akekho good with communication, but teach him kancane, teach him, write him little notes ukuthi noma yini uzofunda le note ukuthi uthi send SMSs hayi amade kakhulu futhi ajajayo, but just talk about your feelings wena.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga.
Okay baby girl, good luck.
Siyabonga. Sure. Kwi Facebook page indaba with Alex hashtag esisebenzisayo ithi ke ezocansi na ku Twitter as well. uMangalonde uthi ayikho into ongenzela abantu besilisa aba appreciate ngisho suwenza kahle. And then bese kuzoba khona another comment kugulethe Mdladla. Love and respect, trust me. Emdlalisa ubaba umfide ndawo zonke. Say communication leyo. And then bese kuzoba ke no osinothando omunye umuntu wesifazane.
Communication leyo, yeah.
Yeah. uthi usinothando, men are very complex, and I had to call my other brother of mine to try and understand ukuthi kanti ingqondo yomuntu wesilisa isebenza kanjani. Okay. And uthando kuhle, othandweni you communicate nomuntu wakho if kukhona where he is lacking, instead of going uyofuna leyo nto somewhere else. I once made my partner listen to this show on a Thursday because I wanted to address something, but ngangisaba ukuthi it might bruise his ego as a man. In fact, we both listened to it and kwakhulunywa about something esasinenkinga ngayo. Sasizakala without me embarrassing him kanjalo. Okay.
Wow.
Yes.
You know, Alex, irrespect ne, it's key. And neBhayibheli yasho njalo ukuthi nomhloniphe indoda yakho yena akuthande. And believe you me, it becomes exactly like that. Once upartner wakho efila ukuthi wena uyamrespecta ngayo yonke indlela, kwenza isikhathi noma azi ukuthi hey ngibuye ngimbhubele lo mfazi ngikhulume kabi kodwa vela azithobe, that alone uthi maseseyedwa ashayo nembeza abuye kube uyena ozoxolisa kuwena instead of you demanding ukuthi axolise. But uyamazi njalo umuntu wakho, obviously nawe ungabi abused, ungamdedeli akabuse, but have a certain element of ukuthi azizwe ehloniphekile. That way he'll still do everything you need anyway, and you'll still win just because when umnikeze lento ayidingayo the most ukuthi azizwe ehloniphekile.
Right, i-conversation yethu namhlanje dokotela usithatha through izinto kumele uzenze ucommunicate ngendlela kumuntu wesilisa ngoba asifani ngendlela yethu. Anonymous eThekwini sabona.
Hello guys. I'm also breaking my virginity today.
Welcome home.
Welcome.
I always listen to the show.
Yeah.
But I was touched by what you guys are speaking about today. I'm a newlywed. I've got 1 year in marriage or so. And for me, what you're talking about in terms of communication, I understand, but I just want to make a comment in terms of the fact that all that I'm listening to is how we should cushion men, whereas we experience maybe the communication not being good or the anger that we would face, or any verbal abuse or anything like that we would experience in those situations. What I'm getting from the topic is that we should cushion. And I do not necessarily agree with it because, as I'm saying, I feel like it's something that I'm experiencing in my relationship currently, where I am working hard, I am making a bit more money, not necessarily that my salary is more, but because I'm smarter with my money, I end up looking like the person that has more money. And at the end of the day, in my home, akuhle lokho. You know what I mean? And I feel like there's just abuse in terms of the way that izinto zenzeka ngayo. And at the end of the day, if I'm listening to the show, anybody else who's currently going for counseling, what I must do and not necessarily what the next person is doing wrong and should be correcting, because I also deserve to be treated correctly, to be treated like, to be spoken to correctly, to be treated fairly. You understand? For the fact that I'm putting in so much effort as a woman to even get to a point where I'm also even starting in the providing part, why am I not getting recognition, but whereas I'm getting heartache or mistreatment and all these things? And I feel that goes back to how we groom our men. I think there's really you can give me your point of view, but I do not see it the same way. I'll give you respect if you respect me. I'll speak nicely to you, you speak nicely to me. But if this is not coming back to me, I'm still expected to do that to you, then it ends up becoming abuse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, Sissy, sorry about what you're going through, ngoba I think itopic namhlanje ivuse some personal wounds kuwena. Now, mhlambe ukuthi ngicacise nje, ishow ya today is really not to defend abantu besilisa, especially when kune problem with relationship. all we are saying is we are assuming a flat ground where a relationship here has got no underlying issues, but we are just saying, how do you make it work better? How do you help a partner yakho? But now when uzanama issues, njoba ngishilo earlier, of course don't allow yourself to be abused, so as a woman, logo esikhuluma ngako today is just ways ngingasho ukuthi to spice up your relationship and how to communicate ngendlela so that there's a way forward with relationship yakho. But if there's already a problem, then it goes deeper than the advice we are giving you. Ngoba there has to be the problem that needs to be dealt with eqaleni. Kuwena you've got issues zemali, zokuthi wena you're making money more than husband yakho and you feel ukuthi because you are making more money than him, so uthathe irole yakhe ne responsibility yakhe, and you feel ukuthi indoda yakho should appreciate you and treat you differently just because wena so uthathe irresponsibility yakhe. So even when he talks to you, either njoba dishile eqaleni mhlambe he talks to you that way because he's intimidated by having a strong woman like you. The clever thing I would advise ukuthi, I would say mhlambe try and understand ukuthi he feels intimidated and how do you nurse his ego also. But if you are already feeling abused by that, then that's already a problem, and it falls on a totally different level to the topic esikhuluma ngayo namhlanje ngoba it's not about every relationship enenkinga. Sikhuluma nje about improving your relationship under under general. How do you just communicate under general nomuntu wakho, not if kukuthi sokunenkinga njenga nawe, of which I really believe ukuthi you actually nobabili you need some kind of counseling so that
nambe ngizosuggesta leyo ekutheni since lo mshado semusha seningena bana counseling.
Yes, we're currently undergoing counseling.
Khona improvement?
Not as yet.
Yeah. You know what I think, sis, just from hearing ngikhuluma nawe, there's a lot of expectations. Kunezinto wena ozi-expectayo and possibly naye kunezinto azi-expectayo so that umshado wenu ukwazi ukuthi uye forward. Just be careful. In marriage uma isayintsha kanje i1 year, vele kusanabantu abaningi nabangafuni nangenhliziyo nje hayi nangomuthi. So be careful not to fall into that trap of wanting to give up kuba sengathi umshado awukusebenzeli. There's a reason why you got married. But somewhere ku relationship kukhona kumele azihlise. And ngokuzehlisa angisho ukuthi you are owning up to ukuthi yonke into ayenzayo i-right, but somewhere someone must be the driver, abe more intellectual, abe clever ngokuthi ngoba ngifuna lo mshado usebenze, how do I then ngizithobe so that he's also able to find out his own faults so that I'm able to find out my own faults.
I hear you. One of my friends said fanele ukuthi ukuzehlisa noma enza ngathini izinto awuyiboni ukuze kulunge.
Lalela Sithanda sami, I have an offer. uAlex uzoyikhokhela icounseling yakho nomnyeni wakho, okay? Ngicela nize ku Dr. Mthembu and then you will phone here again. I would want you to phone here again. Just aseke sibe ne session and umcele naye ukuthi ngimcele on air ukuthi ngiyacela I want to fix your marriage. Please asike hlangane sibe ne counseling thina, and then after that session you can phone back on air usitshela ukuthi how are you feeling even about your marriage.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Okay, baby.
Right, siyabonga kakhulu sisi, hold on, okay?
Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngasekupheni kohlelo Dr. uzoshiya ke inamba zakhe. 1940 lo hlelo alungele ingane. Sikhuluma about communication kubantu besifazane bedilana nabantu besilisa. Why? Because last Thursday Men's Month. Angikhohliwe Anonymous Hluhluwe so le discussion. Welcome to Gagas. Hello Anonymous, usegagasini Hluhluwe?
But Alex yaphila.
Ngiyaphila njani wena?
Ngiyaphila.
Thank you.
Hotel.
Ngikhona Sithando sami. All right?
Young right. Thinking like mina ngumuntu ongekho harsh ne.
Yes, baby girl.
But mase ngikwatile ngikhuluma noma yini.
All right.
But nginika isikhathi sokukhuluma nomuntu into. Ubayi lo ngikhuluma naye like mangabenzi into ne. Akho enze like uyezo. But I respond.
Okay.
Yeah.
so like
okay
uthi mangikhuluma naye vela athi okay ngezwe at the same time ngibona ukuthi lonto leyo akayizwanga and akashintshanga
indoda ke leyo typical
no look by the way ave kubora ukuthi ube nendoda ukuthi ngesikhathi wena ufuna ukukhuluma ngoba umuntu wesifazane mase efuna ukukhuluma mthiyana usuke efuna ukukhuluma efuna nawe ukuthi ukhulume back so that ezokhipha lento ayifeel ayo ngaphakathi so that efeel better but if leyo nto ifika kumuntu ozothi or ngiyezwa kuphele kanjalo lo muntu feels like acknowledge nama feelings akhe umboni awezwa nama feelings akhe pain yakhe so leyo nto igcina siba very frustrating
esekhulume
wakhuluma uyabona now generally most of the time isuke naleyo nto ihambisana nokuthi usuke nawe une blame thizeni ufuna ukudlulisa kuyena yokuthi I acknowledge or abuyise kuwena nje ukuthi naye ucabangani but in essence leyo nto is also a form of control ngoba ufuna ukucontrola ukuthi uzothina kuphendula thini now ku wrong ukuthi while niku relationship naye and niyakha naye and you feel like wena wedwa who's putting in the effort ku relationship ngoba yena ka communicate back and ngesikhathi wena ucommunicate naye yena aka respond so that can really make you feel like uwedwa na ku relationship ugcina so uba ne revenge uthi angihambe ngikhulume nabanyeke kanti sungena endaweni eyinkinga. Find out also ukuthi kunabantu Alex othola ukuthi ba behave ngaleyo ndlela because of indlela akhula ngayo because of mhlambe ne past trauma nakwamanye ama relationship so unokusaba nokuthi akhulume akakwazi ukukhuluma mhlambe sokukhulume ngendlela wena yokuthi uthi masukhuluma ushamazwe abhlungu
bengisazwe lapho doc because ushilo kwayena ukuthi mesekhulumile bese mesediniwe usho izinto ukuze kweqe
so uyabona ke lapho lo muntu siyasaba ukuthi naye akhulume ngoba egcineni yena ufuna uthule even if lento ishoyo it's very valid kodwa because of past experience ukuthi uthi wena masudiniwe umtshela ukuthi unepipi elincane avela kubona ukuthi ongcona ngivele ngithule nyomethi ngivele ngithi ngiyezwa kwenzeka intando yakhe so that engagcine sefika kula mazwi lawa yana meaning ube ngakadluli naye kulezo zinto in the past that you have said kanti uthola mhlambe the woman usho lezo zinto ezibhlungu ngoba ezama ukumphusha ukuthi akazakhulume naye akazimini uzama nje ukumphusha kanti that's just the wrong way to communicate.
Weyizwa leyo kuhle ngoba futhi ulikhulumile iqiniso ukuthi nawe ukhuluma kuze kweqe mhlawumbe iziphi nje lezi zinto ezilumelayo ogcina sozisho mawusudiniwe.
Like indlela yokukhuluma engikhuluma ngayo like nokuthi yabo ungazomjwayela yabo sometimes
ngaleso sikhathi ke yena avela athi nje abheke phansi
and uyabona umuntu
engaphenduli ngalo langa akhulume ngenye ilanga ukuthi ke njalo wena wathi kimi
lalela umuntu nawe sizokukhumbula ngesikhathi usakhula nisaqhudelana nisaba neperu nilo umuntu umuthi ke ungazongijwayela inhlobo yomuntu osukumkhombe ngomuno la ebusweni ngoba you are about to fight ukodwa nje lokuthi ungazongijwayela that's a threat so nakuyena uma sokufika kuyena omunye umuntu already that's a threat ukuthi uthi asilwe
No zama lokho sese and uma kufika ku stage la esidinga khona nihlale nobabili you can do that. I think indawo engaba closer to you is Richards Bay sizoneka ama numbers ekupheni kohlela.
No right ngiyabonga.
All right siyabonga kakhulu sisuka ehlehlo siya ku Anonymous Chatsworth. Welcome to Gagazi. It's 1946 now. Sawubona Anonymous.
Sawubona but Alex.
Yes sisakumukela mfethu kwindaba.
Ngiyaphila njani ngicela ukubingelela Doc.
Yebo baba.
Yebo. Bengicela nje ukuthi ngikhulume ngendaba ye communication. Khona sisiwa wa mention indaba ukuthi ubhuti uthe umZulu owasemthwalo into efana naleyo. So kunale ndawana nje yokuthi uma ngabe umZulu kube ngazathi mhlawumbe sibuye sibe unreasonable.
Amen.
Yes. Officially leyo nto leyo ngithanda ukuthi ngidispute. Inkinga akusikuthi umuntu umZulu noma akasiyo umZulu. Inkinga i-communication. I-communication sengiyi-understand ukuthi ihlula ngisho umuntu o-qualified ekutheni abe mhlawumbe une communications degree. So the reason why ngibe anonymous ukuthi mina nomuntu wami bekade sesibe nenkinga esayifane naleyo. Sometimes sizoxabana yabo. Mhlambe into esixabanisayo incane nje but indlela ngiphendula ngayo mina ngizofika ngathi uyangi-undermine yabona.
Yes.
But on the other side yena ufeel ukuthi ungiphendula because kumele respond kulento engiyisho. So leyo nto i-end up yenza ukuthi ingxabane ibe sephezulu ngale ndlela ukuthi endapha sesixabana kakhulu mina ke ngibekuye kube yimina umuntu oyazama ukuthi ayingise leyo nto mangabe sengibona ukuthi yaphuma esandleni.
Yeah.
Bese si calm sobabili sizo understand futhi ukuthi no but yazi lento iphumile esandleni kanje. So if it wasn't for ukuthi size sigcine sithole i-counseling sina sobabili naye umuntu wami.
Yeah.
Angabi relationship asenayo because there was a time la bengifila khona ukuthi you know what ayiphele mayiphele noma ngibe nokuthi ay uyangijwayela lo yazi ngcono vele siyeke mhlawumbe ubone ukuthi angeke ngikhona ukuthola omunye umuntu and stuff like that only to find a relationship is solid but I communication yakhona inteke ngalendlela. So nje khona la engaze ngafeel ukuthi no yazi I'm the only one osemise le relationship but now at the current point si happy. Wow. The relationship is imnandi ingalendlela le esesifisa ngakhona even though sinezinto ezishodayo ngendlela yempilo kunama challenges lapha nalapha but the relationship is very good.
Yabona ke something positive out of this Dokotela. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. That's why besingafuna ukuphazamisa uyibeke nje kahle leyo nto. Khona into wayisho talk about being a bigger person, voice of reason, rising above it. So he played that role and now ama results.
Yes.
Siyabonga. Shashoput. Sharp. Right. So kunyamathi bese siyabuya sisuke Chatsworth siye kuwena ngafona ku 0861596596 where women get communication wrong particularly amadoda afisa ukuthi communicate kanjani nawo and some of the things mhlambe ngaba ipuzzle ukuthi why react kanje isolution zoyithola la sikhuluma leyo ndaba namhlanje. Lolu hlelo is not suitable for ingane. Ungalibamba ku YouTube recording yakhona noma ulalele ku app Gagasi FM. It's 1949.
Ulalele indaba.
KZN, this is Julius
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Right Mthiyani.
I'm good.
Kade ngagcina isithandwa sami.
Kade ngagcina
Ukhumbulile kodwa.
Action speaks louder than words.
Uzoprova kumina ngithi on top of me.
Already doing it.
There's even a W sport, shoot a women's sport phela.
Oh, is it? And only a woman knows how to be touched.
Also play games, yazi Mthiyani. It's so nice ukuthi nifundisane ngokudlala ama games. Nizoke nibe ne meeting ngocansi.
Yes.
Kungakonke niyalenza at that time. But just have a meeting.
Uma uthanda ufuna ukuthi uqhubeke kahle ufuna ukuthi ukhwezele njengomlilo ungayiyeki iziguni zihlehle
salisoyisho
uyibasela njengomlilo iqhubeke ibheke phambili kufuneka senze njalo baba Mthiyani
Ezocansi on indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 pm ulalele indaba
isineke nokubekezela into engelula ma abantu baphelelwa ithemba futhi nokukholwa nje ukuthi ukhona uNkulunkulu usebenze ngapha kodwa uthandaze akufanele abantu balahlekelwe ithemba nabantu baseNingizimu Afrika akufanele balahlekelwe ithemba uma kuphela ithemba kusuka impisholo phambili angisho umuntu abayeke ukukhuluma izinhlizweni zabo kodwa ukukhuluma ngokuhlaphaza nokungahloniphi akwenzi ukushoyo ukuthi kuzokala noma kuzokala uma kuphuma nokudelela.
Siyabonga.
Ngibonga sokhulu nami uba bekuwe umbuzo thokoza kakhulu ufisise lokuhle emsebenzini wesizwe uphethe thokoza kakhulu Mthiyani ngibonga kakhulu inkosi ibusise.
Indaba with Alex Mthiyani on Gagasi FM.
The 6th annual Gagasi FM Shiro Awards la celebrate khona KZN women abama trailblazers. It's on again njoba sibheke ku August. Makhona iShiro who's doing extraordinary work kwi-field yabo ngaba i-community. Please nominate that person. Kunama categories nje amaningi. Uzothola iform ku website yethu gagasiworld.co.za. Ikhona ngena ne-email shiro@gagasi995.co.za. Ama final nominees ke siyo announce kuye the uprising, hangouts, midday connection, Gagasi Drive and here on Indaba ngomhla ka-19. So you have 3 weeks to do that, and ama nominations akho ke ungawenza bese ke uyalalela ukubheka ukuthi umuntu omnominateile uyaqualifya yini. In fact nawe ungazi nominator wena mangabe ubona ngempela ukuthi wena you work hard when wenza kwehlukile kunokujwayelekile, but akekho umuntu okubonayo, by all means you can uzinominate. Ama Gagasi FM Shiro Awards esi6 kulonyaka phakama mbokoto kunama T's ke and C's. Ungaya kwi-gagasiworld.co.za noma ku-app yethu ku-Gagasi FM.
Indaba with Alex Mthiani.
Abantu basebenzisa izinto eziningi to up game yabo la kwezomtavazo. Uzokuthiwa ama drinks lawa ane acid uphuza yona ayiqoqa. Abanye bezokutshela indaba ye-mail and then uzofakwa nezinto ezishisayo njalo njalo. Do those things esisebenzisayo zingena prescription well?
Ngesikhathi ukuthatha Mthiani, the minute waqala ukucleana ithumbu lakho ngaphakathi kuningi izinto ezivele zibe right ngempela. Hayi ngoba kuukuthi umuthi othize uthathe kubani amanzi nje ewodwa ngoba akwazi ukuthi afike lapho ayicleane le ndawo, then kuyavuka endaweni ezithize. Once umuntu eqala echatha amanzi edlula lapho over and over kuleyo ndawo, sekuyaqala useklina nesidoda sakho, seqala uklina izinso, then iqolo siliyaluleka. So the more uklina ngaphakathi, then you end up uriche ezinye indawo.
Ulalele Indaba with Alex Mthiani on Gagasi FM.
Indaba eGagasini ngiku 0861596596. Asiye eClermont sabona anonymous.
Yebo njani?
Si right wena unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Thank you.
Inkinga enginayo mina umuntu engifanayo sakwazi umxolelo. Njalo uyaxolisa, uyajola, uzoba noma wengane futhi eceleni, nami ngizoba noma wengane. Angisakwazi nje ukuphila naye kodwa ngiyamthanda.
Kodwa uyamthanda.
Yeah.
Bona ke dokotela. Nansi inkinga. Uhlalenza amaphutha njalo amxolele. And leyo nto it informs anger ekhona kodwa uyamthanda.
I think the most important thing ayishilo sisi ukuthi uyamthanda, okay? Angakushongo nje ukuthi ngimthanda enjalo, because iqiniso ukuthi lo body has been doing the same thing over and over kodwa ukuphindela kuyena. Sometimes maybe there comes a point empilweni yakho where you have to accept ukuthi into inje. Very likely ukuthi if lo muntu kade yenza lento kuwena and you are still staying kunento and you need to figure out ukuthi yini lento wena kwenza ukuthi uhlale. It might be something a positive, but also it might be something negative, of which if kuukuthi into positive le kwenza ukuthi uhlale, then lokho kunya kwenzayo kusho ukuthi kusinda ngaphezulu kwalento akunikeza yona. So unjabulo akunikeza yona is better than ipain akunikeza yona. However, if into ekwenza uphinde kuyena mhlawumbe into negative, then you need help and counseling to get out of the relationship. Into as negative engazisho uthola ukuthi su abuseke ngendlela yokuthi usuzibona ngathi ikufanele lento ayenzayo kuwena. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe even noma usayingane wanyukubezwa wadlwengulwa, so you feel ukuthi yonke into ayenza kuwena uyayideserve and you don't deserve uthando olungcono. You need to first find out ukuthi yini le wena ekwenza ukuthi uthi uyamthanda nokuthi ekwenza ukuthi uhlale naye, so that uzoyiweya ukuthi sekuyilento ke ayiphethe ngiyithandayo sengiwena naloko wrong akwenzayo okupho okusindayo ngaphezulu kubo.
Yeah.
Futhi ihlaka sothi yabo mina noma nganya committee uyafika lapha endlini azongichomela ukuthi nje bana mawele la endlini la umithi yabo nje shayane.
Yeah. Lelo isisi mina the way engibona ngayo umjitha kanhloniphi noyithu, okay? And mhlawumbe if kukuthi akakuhloniphi nawe, you need to think for yourself ukuthi yini into ezokwenza ufile loved and respected nento oyidingayo. Sometimes ukulwa nokubanga nomuntu kuyakwenza uhlale kanti uhlaliswe hayi uthando, uzitshela ukuthi wena uhleli ngenxa yothando kanti uhlele ngenxa yempi. you know uyalwa ufuna ukuluza, that is why uhleli naye. But kuyona yonke into ayenzayo ubhuti, either he must speak straight uzonithatha nobabili enze isithembu kodwa enze ngendlela kufanele enze ngayo, kodwa angayenzi le ndaba ukuthi siniyashaya nina meet nobabili ngoba sin abusana nodwa nobabili manje. And I really think ukuthi wena you need counselling to figure out ukuthi yini wena oyifunayo, khohlwa uyena uyakubonisa ukuthi ufunani, wena yini wena oyifunayo.
Yeah, and then uzothatha number wena sisi khona manje udinga isikhathi esanele nje so that uzobhodla kahle uthatha i-decision right.
Okay.
Sifusela inhlanhla ma. Siyasivala ke ngokuthi sithathe nama voice notes akho as well. Let's go to them. Kakasi.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguHlengiwe Faith, ngisuka eNanda kodwa ngokuhlala sengihlala eNew York. Ngafika ku Dr Mthembu nginenkinga yokuthi bese ngiphelelwe imizwa yocansi, ngibengasalenzi nje ucansi nomkhwelane wami, so lokho bese kuyinkinga enkulu kabi. Ngafika ku Dr Mthembu ngathola ukusizakala. Uhlelo lolu ngiyalalela kwi-app eGagasi phesheya. Kumina isikhathi kuseku1 emini ngiyacabanga la kuyintambama, kodwa nje noma ngisemsebenzini noma abe u1 nje ngizinikeza isikhathi ukuthi ngihlale ngilalele uhlelo lwenu, lumnandi kakhulu, ngiyabonga.
Wow, thank you.
Njani Emedilution ngasizakala, ama back pains awasekho and iprocess yomi yokuluza weight iyashesha.
All right, siyabonga. Okay, sibingelela lapho.
Yes, in New York.
Sure,
Yes.
siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga. Right, we've come to the end of show yethu namhlanje. Ngiyazi ukuthi bekade inzima kodwa nawe umuntu wesilisa much as bekwa abantu besifazana bebekhuluma, I hope khona okufundile wakuthola and uzokwenza kulama stories and kubhlungu the pain esizwisana yona men and women.
Yeah, absolutely. And also Mthiyane, just ukuthi stress ukuthi kule show akekho umuntu esizama ukumehlisa, but at the end of the day sifuna ukuthi ni understandwane ubulili nobunye so that sothola i-platform right yokuthi sikwazi ukuqhuba imshado yethu nemndeni yethu ngoba that's the core of our show ukuthi sakhe not ukuthi sidibhize.
Yes, your numbers doc.
Dr Mthembu se Medilution sise Richards Bay sikhona futhi nase Hillcrest. Inumber yethu ithi 031-765-8475. Ngizoyiphinda futhi 031-765-8475. Richards Bay ngiyayazi Mthiyane 035-760-1569. Siyachatha siyaqhuma silungisa imndeni, induku, isinya, inkinga nje awuthoilet, nenkinga yekhanda iqolo, konke lokho. Kodwa nama past videos uzokwazi ukuthi wathole nayo le ku Sex Talk with uDr Mthembu kanye futhi akhona kwiGagasi.
Siyabonga kakhulu Dr Mthembu bekade nathi namhlanje. We do this every Thursday from 7 to 8. Njengoba shoke ungawathola lawo ma shows. Thanks to the production team, Mr. Spelele Nzuza kanye ke no DJ Flair. Ulep no Portia bazokubamba kwi GMS Gagasi Music Session. Freaky Thursday doc.
Freaky, let's get the freak on. Ngiyazi besikhuluma ngento kodwa asike sijabulisane nje nawe baba wenze show ukuthi today umama umenza kunama spots la ubuso wakho ohliwe nawe just so that azizwe ukuthi nginendoda man.
Awu bengitho mina mawuthi nawe baba. Suka bubnandi. Bye.
Special open line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.